wait. First of all, students, that is class 6 physics. I have discussed in your class that about sunlight, okay? Sunlight, that is white or colorless. It is white and it's made of a 7 component colors. That is the constitution of sunlight. It consists of 7 component color. And next thing, that dispersion. I have done that phenomena in which sunlight spilled into 7 component color. That incident is known as dispersion. If sunlight passing through the glass prism, then it spilled into 7 colors. Okay, that incident is known as dispersion. Okay, this incident is known as dispersion. Now, one thing is left, student, that number of images formed by 2 mirrors. Okay, number of images formed by the 2 mirrors. First of all, if 2 mirrors, the formula of that getting, that is, the formula is 360 degree by theta minus 1. Number of images, that is n, 360 degree by theta minus n. That is the formula of getting number of images. Now, one thing, what is theta? Theta is the angle between 2 mirrors. If theta equal to 90 degree, we'll get 3 images. If theta equal to 180 degree, we'll get 1 image. Listen it. So, that is the formula. Now, that image does not depend on the quality of mirror. That depends only that theta. If theta is increased, number of images will be decreased. If theta is decreased, theta means the angle between 2 mirrors. If theta is decreased, then number of images will be increased. For an example, look at the board, everyone. 2 mirrors. That is M1. That is M2. M1 and M2. 2 mirrors are fixed at a 90 degree. So one object is here. That is I. How many images will you get? Can you tell me? 3. Okay, because we know that, sir, n equal to 360 degree by theta, that is 90 minus 1. There is 4 minus 1, 3. It is very much easy by calculation. Now, Now, I will show you in the. So, that is M2 mirror. As M2 mirror, that object have an image at M2 mirror, that is I1. Okay, and that object have also the mirror M1. Mirror means first mirror, that is I2. Okay, that is I2. Got it? Now just think about that. So here is an image and here is a mirror. It will again from an image at here I3. Similarly, I2 will form another image as here, that is I4. Got it, everyone? And what is happened? That I3 and I4 actually coincide, so that they will form the same position, same image, that is I3. Got it, everyone? So how many images I get? The 1, 2, 3. 3 images we have got. Any problem? Any problem? Do you need the understood? Okay, very. And Chandra, do you need the ray diagram? Will you need the ray diagram? If you need, then I will draw it. And one thing it is, remember that distance will be always same. Okay, that distance to that distance, because we know that object distance equal to image distance. Okay. uh, Sneha, okay, no, you need, if you need, then I will show you. Image 1, image, that is the object will form an image on M2 mirror, that is I1, on M1 mirror, that is I2. Okay, two images, we got. Now I1 image, I1, that image again from an image on M1 image, that is I3, and again I2 is the image of M1, not M2. Then I2 image again form another image on M2, that is I3. Got it? So I3 and I4 coincide, and that is the only one image, so three images will get. Okay, now I am drawing the ray diagram. And students, you know that where image is formed, when the reflected ray are intersect each other. And we have already learned the properties of plane mirror, that is virtual image, and the object distance and image distance are same. Okay, got it? And where image is formed, where reflected rays are intersect each other. Got it? Next. Okay, two mirror, that is M1, that is M2. Okay, they are fixed at 90 degree. Now one object is here, that is I. Now one ray comes from it and reflect in the same way, falls on it and reflect in the same way. Just extend it. Okay, and why I dotted line? Because it is a virtual image. And another ray falls on it and bounce back in that way, and it is cut intersecting at here. So here I1. Reflected ray are intersect at here, so I1 is the image of I at mirror M1. Got it, everyone, or not? Next, one ray falls on it and reflect back in the same way, so it will extend here. Okay, got it? And another ray falls in this way and reflect back at and it will, if I extend, so that point you form another image, that is I2. Here you reflected air intersecting, so image will form here. Oh my God, which point? Rosni? Tell me quickly, beta. Okay, just reflect, just falls on it perpendicularly, then it will reflect perpendicularly. Okay, if any rays falls on it at 90-degree angle, it will reflect at 90-degree angle. Okay, it is not bending there. Okay, next, if it is falls 90-degree angle perpendicularly to the surface, it will reflected ray also at perpendicular angle, 90-degree angle with the surface. Got it? What is the said? Explain. It is a law of reflection. Chandra, there is the angle of reflection and angle of reflection and angle of incident. They are same. First of all, tell me. It is the normal. Okay. Now one ray falls along this way. So what angle it makes? Tell me, Chandranath, quickly beta. What angle it will make? 0 degree. And if it is intersect, reflect along this way, what angle it will make? Also 0 degree. So angle of incidence and angle of reflection both are same. That it follows the laws of reflection. Got it? Got it, Chandranath? Yes, again it will be 0. So next things. So here, oh my god, I have rubbed that image. So 2 image. Okay, next. One ray falls on it. One ray falls on it and it will reflect the another mirror, that is M2. Then it will move along this way. Just extend that in this direction. And another rays, it will, watch it carefully. Ray comes to M1, then reflect it M2, then bounce back in this way. And another ray falls on M2. Falls on M2, then reflect it M1 and returning in this way and extend it. So where is intersecting point? So that is I3. Got it? So how many images I get? 3 images. First of all, this is not an easy calculation, easy drawing. If you get understand, so it is very much okay. It's not an easy image. That is from 11-12 section. Got it, everyone? So how many images I will form? The 3 images. Okay. Anyone have any problem? Which one? Last part. Watch it. The one rays falls on it. Then again it reflected to the M2. Then moving in this way. And if you extend this line, you will get a line. And another ray, that ray on M2, again at M1, then moving on this way. So just extend this reflected ray along this way. So here they intersect the 2 reflected rays. There we get I3, third image. Okay, third image of the site. Okay. Now the second case, very interesting case. When 2 rays are parallel, 2 mirrors are parallel. Okay, how many images will get? When 2 mirrors are parallel, how many images will I get? Can you say? So 360 degree. So parallel means no angles are there. No, multiple angles, multiple images better. No angles are there. So that is 0. 360 0 by 3. No, wrong answer. 360 degree by 0. That is infinity. So infinite number of images I will get. Unlimited, yes, unlimited. Look at the board. So one object is here. That object will form another image on M1. Okay, M1. So that image is O1. Okay, and that object will form another image on M2. That is O2. Got it, everyone? Type it quickly, beta. Yeah. Now, just think that O1 is in front of M2. It means O2 is the image of O. O2 is the image of O. And O1 will form another image at M2. O1 will form another image of M2. That is O3. Get it? Because O1 is in front of M2, so that forms an image O3. O3 is the image of O1. O1, O, all are same. Just I am giving that name for the counting. For counting. Okay. Now think another way. O3 in front of M1. O3 is in front of M1. So O3 will form another image here. O4. Okay. And again O4 is in front of M2. O4 is image at M1 and O4 is will form another image at M2, that is O5. Got it everyone? So in this way that process will continue and so many images I will get. Got it? So infinite number of images I will get. And one thing students, this incident happens in front of our eye. Where it you have seen? Tell me. Where you have seen? It happens in our daily life. That incident happens in our daily life. Tell me. In barbershop, very good. In barbershop, just when we are getting cut our hair in front of one mirror, and in the back of our head there is another mirror. So these two mirrors are kept at parallel. So infinite number of images we have seen there. And one thing students, the intensity, okay, almost time is over. Intensity of that 1 and O4, intensity of 1 and O4 is not same. Intensity of 1 is greater than O4, intensity of O2 is greater than O3, intensity of O2 is greater than O5. Got it everyone? Got it everyone? Next day I will continue this class again. Okay, I will discuss from here. Today I end this class here. I hope students it is not okay students, next day I will again continue it.